Guess who has added another number to their lineup? Good old Olaplex. This one is number 9, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. Welcome to the Hair Lounge. My name is Angelina. Let's get into it. Let's chat all about this Olaplex number 9. As always, Olaplex comes through with their bond building technology, which helps really repair your hair from the inside out. Now, what is this one exactly all about? So this is a multi-benefit serum. This is great for anybody who is wanting to protect their ends or their hair from free radicals or the pollution that is in the air, in the environment. We all know what it does to our skin. Well, did you know it can also damage your hair? So this product is perfect for helping protect your hair or your ends from all of that damage. Let's talk about how you're gonna know if your hair is suffering from that damage from free radicals or the environment or pollutants in the air. You're gonna notice tangling, you're gonna notice dry ends, you're gonna notice your hair just feels a lot more brittle. Olaplex number 9 is great because it is going to be a daily weightless serum that's going to protect your hair from heat damage up to 450 degrees and also from that daily pollution that is outside in the air. And you are going to notice a huge difference when you are using this serum. One thing that I love about this Olaplex number 9 is you can use it no matter what your hair type is. If you have fine hair, you can put it on your hair when your hair is wet and let your hair air dry, and it's still gonna give you weightless, soft hair, but not weigh your hair down, because with fine hair, we all know that that is very, very easy with styling products. Another thing, if you have dry, damaged, say curly hair, you can still use this in your hair when it's wet, add it to your gel routine or your mousse routine, still diffuse your hair, or let it air dry, and you're gonna have really soft, bouncy curls. Say maybe you like to blow dry your hair. You can use this product, put it on your mid shaft to your ends, and use a styling brush or a round brush and get really soft, straight looking hair that is not going to be weighed down like a lot of hair serums do. Now let's talk about the visible benefits you're gonna see in your hair when you're using this product. You're gonna find really soft, manageable hair. It's going to instantly detangle it. One thing that I like about it is after you style your hair, if you notice your hair is getting frizzy or it's kind of getting staticky, you can use just a tiny little pump and put it on your ends. It's going to make your hair not be staticky, which this time of year, everybody is complaining about staticky hair. Another really great thing is style memory or bouncy curls. Sometimes with hair serums, like I said before, they weigh your hair down. It's a little bit too heavy, but with this being weightless, you're still gonna get really bouncy and soft curls without weighing your style down. If you guys are liking what you're hearing so far, now is a great time to hit that thumbs up button, and I do want to tell you about that little bell notification. If you've ever seen that and wondered what it was, if you click it, it's going to tell you about my new videos that come out, which I like to put one out at least one a week. We're trying to pump these videos out. I love seeing all your guys' comments, so please don't hesitate to comment if you have any questions about this number 9. Now let's get back to the video. Let's talk all about using the product, because that's what you're here for. This bottle is super cool because it's already going to kind of pre-measure the product. Makes it so it's not super wasteful. You're gonna just do one pump. There we go. And it is clear, as you can see, super light. The smell smells just like a lot of the other Olaplex products. When you rub it into your hands, it is that serum form. It's not super oily, but it's not super thick either. This is gonna be the first thing you're putting in your hair before all of your other styling products. Rub it through your hands, and we're gonna start from the bottom and work our way up. So go ahead and put that on your ends and just bring it up to your mid shaft. Again, this is weightless, but you do not want it on your roots or your scalp because you do not want to get oily. And honestly, that is plenty for my hair. You can add more if you have longer hair or thicker hair, what I do, but with how concentrated Olaplex products are, a little goes a long way. One thing I'm noticing with putting this in, I did not brush or comb or do anything to my hair before, and I can tell it does instantly detangle it without having to work too hard. And it's really coating those dry ends. I can feel my hair soaking up all of that Bond technology. As many of you guys know, I do like to have my hair air dry. So I am gonna leave this on my ends and I'm just gonna let it air dry, and then I will come back and kind of show you how it looks when it is air dry using this Olaplex No. 9. So stay tuned and we will see how it does on my hair. All right, we have air dried. As you can see, I still have a lot of wave or body to my hair, which is not super typical with most serums. Majority of the time I'm using my Paul Mitchell Super Skinny, or I'm gonna use my anti-frizz from Joico, and those tend to weigh my hair down. I have a lot of hair, but it is finer, and I have noticed when I run my hands through my hair, I don't even feel product on my hair, which is not typical. When you have fine hair, if you have fine hair, you know when you put product on your hair, you can really, really feel that product, and I can't feel it at all, which is super, super awesome. As it said before, you can also use this as anti-frizz or to get rid of static in your hair, so let's do that now. You do not need to use it as much. We are just gonna do a tiny quarter pump, just enough to get on the palm of my hand, rub it together, and just really incorporate it into my ends, mid shaft, wherever I kind of see frizziness. It's super great because I can tell you can use this daily. It says it is a daily use to protect against the free radicals or kind of the pollutants in the air. And I love the fact that even putting it on my hair again for that anti-frizz, I still can't feel it. As always, Olaplex does really great with their scent. It's not overpowering, it's super light, smells a little bit more melony, not floral at all. So if you're sensitive to kind of those floral scents, this is a great choice. And I will tell you, I love that Olaplex does what it says. It's gonna protect against the 450 degrees for all your heat tools, but it is weightless. So when it comes to having finer hair, I would say this No. 9 serum is a great choice for fine hair. And like I told you guys before, if you have any hair type, it's great for all those. It doesn't matter if you're air drying, if you like to use a blow dryer on your hair, or if you have curls to your hair, it's great for all the hair types. I love that it's not weighing my hair down. So if you guys are needing something that is going to be lightweight, protect against your heat, and protect against kind of the free radicals in the air, Olaplex No. 9 is a great choice. I will leave the product down in the description box below if you're wanting to try this new product out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't done so yet, hit that red subscribe button before we leave. And I appreciate you guys as always. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.